look it up, because it's something that you can educate yourself on storage fees. But let's consider this. We want to sell our inventory really quick. So buy what you know will sell in a period of, say, 1 to 3 months. Okay, if the inventory is good inventory, then let's buy more. You know, especially if you know that inventory is moving, it's under 50,000 rank, it's under 30,000 rank, it's a top 10,000 rank, and you're certain that the inventory is going to do well. You see, you have Jungle Scout, for example, you have Jungle Scout, and you see that the toy is selling, like, you know, for example, let's say this one right here. So this Spider-Man right here, he's selling 290 per month. That's that's 10 a day, okay, of that particular Spider-Man. Okay, so you have to factor these in. Would I tell you to send all that inventory to Amazon? Probably no need to do that right now. Wait till Amazon has their things figured out as far as storage limits. But for now, just send in a month's worth of inventory. So do the math. If it's 1 a day, send up to 30 if you're allowed, or whatever the recommended quantity that Amazon will allow you, because that's also a factor. If they're selling 10 a day and you can send in 75 units, send in 75 units. If it's selling 1 every week, only send 4. You know, maybe buy 8, keep 4 in your storage area at home, and in the first shipment, just send 4. Okay, learn to manage your business and the inventory that you're shipping to Amazon, just so that you're in control of your products. So we know that it's going to be $10 plus tax, so $20 plus tax, plus, let's go 20 times 1.12, 2240, plus we're going to say $10.50 plus 0.5 for the shipping. $33.40 is going to be my capital investment, and this product is only selling for that Spider-Man. Let's keep looking.